Let's have a look at the graph of the following function. 2x squared minus 0.25 x4 minus 2. Put the function up here. Now, if they ask us to find the integral of this function between, let's see, where it crosses the x-axis here until here, we have to first find out the zeros of this function. So let's do that. We're going to add a calculator page. Remember, if we're in the same, it's called problem. When we have 1.1, 1.2, everything that begins with 1, it will remember the function. So here this function is called f1. So I can just type f1. I don't have to write all this again. So f1, let's see, let's solve that function. Algebra solve. So f1 of x is when is f1 of x equal to 0, always comma x. So when x is minus 2.61 more or less, minus 1.08 or plus 1.08, and then we suspect that it will be plus 2.61. Okay. Let's go to the left. So let's find the integral. Let's use this template button, it's quicker. Enter from minus 2.61, that's fine, to 2.61 was the upper limit, and the function is f1 of x and then dx, because x is the variable. Now the integral is 1.15. So let's have a look at it again. Now remember, the area here will count as positive because the area between the curve here and the x-axis is going to be positive. Same thing here. From here to here, this part will be positive. But this part is a little bit bigger than one of these. It's going to count as negative. So depending on what we want to find out, if they ask us to evaluate or calculate the integral from here to here of this function, the answer is 1.15. That's fine. If they want us to find the area between the graph and the x-axis, we first have to find the area of this one, add it to the area of this part, and add that to the area of this part. We have to divide it up into 3 different parts. So let's do it here. We have the limits already. So let's start from minus 2.61 to minus 1.08. The area will be 1.97. So the area of this part is 1.97. Now the area from here to here, so this part would be, let's go up there, press enter to copy it. So from the lower limit is going to be minus 1.08 0.08. The upper limit will be 1.08. The integral is minus 2.79. But since we're finding out the area, it cannot be negative, so the area will be 2.79. And then the last part would be just pressing enter to copy this. It will be from 1.08 to 2.61. So 1.97. Okay. And of course, same as this one. So we have three different parts. This area, this area, this area. To get the total area, we have to add up the three different parts. This is one part. The second part, of course, ignore the minus sign. And then the third part. So what happens when we actually find out the integral from minus 2.61 to 2.61, from here to here, it takes this and then minus this plus this. When we find out the area, that's not what we want. So we have to do three different parts. 1.97 plus 2.79 plus 1.97, and we have the total area.